Okay, guys, welcome to part two of the model making series, and I'll be addressing how exactly to start your model. Now, there are a lot of ways to start your architectural model, and one thing you just need to keep in mind is you make sure at the end of it you need to have everything cohesive. You don't want to make one part look too good and the other part look bad. Yeah, because a lot of times when you're in school, you don't have enough time to make the model. So usually I like starting with my own building. So I have this cutout of the building shape. Yeah, we're designing a automated sales and service center for cars and automat. And yeah, this is my design. Although this is not the actual drawing, this is just something that I used to make my model. And apart from that, we have more drawings of it. We have our elevations. Now I don't need too much elevations of the building because yeah, you can actually do everything with your plan only. But I just got these ones so I can get the height of the building. So what do you do first? You actually need to start with your walls. And how do you start with your walls? Get this. Yeah, this is what we're using for our wall effect. Let me see. I need to pick a good side. Yeah, let me start from this side. Now my building is not your regular rectangular building because I'll probably show you the picture now. It has a lot of how should I call it? A lot of pillars outside and the walls actually start inside. So unlike how I'd usually design stuff like this, I have to start from the inner walls because yeah, that's where it actually starts from. So I've basically just been marking out the dimensions with my pencil. You need to make sure you're leaving a bit of extra space beside your walls. Well, that's quite interesting. It is the exact length of the building. So I just measured with this wall. Actually, I need to cut this. So I have this elevation view cut out, and I actually want to just start to get my walls up. So now I had to switch to time lapse so that I could speed things up because this process actually takes a lot of time. Now you see me measuring and cutting out the walls so that I can cut out my elevations. I reference to my elevations to get accurate placement of my doors and windows. Now I'm cutting out my plan so I'll be able to align my walls with it and there won't be errors in the future. So that will be all for the video. Check out part 2 to find out how all the walls come together. See you there.